Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Curls by Shirls, aka Shirley Michelle. Today I'm just shampooing and conditioning slash detangling my hair. I am currently using Mish Beauty Clarifying Detox Shampoo, which has this like little nozzle thing, which I love in a clarifying shampoo or any shampoo really, because you can apply it directly to your scalp, which is where you want to focus most of the shampooing. My hair was really dirty, my scalp especially, it gets really dirty. But that's also because I probably wait too long in between washes. I should probably be washing my hair every 3 days, but sometimes, it gets to be like a whole week. And that's just like not okay for my particular hair. I know a lot of people who do that and it works great for them. So what I've noticed a lot of on Instagram and social media is that people, when they show these shampoo and conditioning videos, they only put the shampoo on their scalp. And I understand that you're supposed to focus mainly on the scalp, but the rest of your hair is also dirty. It has a lot of product. It needs to be cleansed. It does not need to just be conditioned. So when you are shampooing your hair, make sure that you are focusing on the scalp, but also letting that shampoo run down to the lengths of your hair, making sure to also kind of rub it in a bit. When I was younger, I actually used to condition my hair first, just so that I could detangle it, and then shampoo it so that I could run the shampoo through my hair by, running my fingers through my hair. Right now, I can't run my fingers through my hair because it's so tangled. So I would condition first, so it would be detangled, then run the conditioner through my hair, and then condition again. So, nowadays I don't have the time for that, but I would even do that again. So if you have the time for it, I would suggest, go for it. So now I'm actually deep conditioning my hair. These conditioners usually say to let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, sometimes even 30 minutes. So what I do is I'll apply it all throughout my hair. I usually start at the ends, focusing mainly on the ends. I want to make sure my ends have a lot of conditioner because that's where I'm going to start the detangling. But I want it to be everywhere because my hair is tangled everywhere, not just on the ends. So I'm placing some on the ends mostly and also putting it all throughout the lengths, even towards my scalp. I'm going to try not to touch my scalp with the conditioner directly because putting conditioner on your scalp can lead to more buildup and it'll be oily and it'll fall flat. You won't get the volume that you want. It's really important to start detangling from the ends. This is something that a lot of moms who have straight to wavy hair and their children have curly hair don't really particularly know. They weren't taught, they didn't have to learn this. It's really important to start detangling from the ends. It's gonna make it so much easier and so much less painful. If you start detangling from the mids or even closer to the root, it's gonna be really hard. It's gonna snag, you're gonna break some hair. It's gonna hurt. So definitely start all the way at the bottom. Little by little, work your way up. As you are detangling, you can feel where the tangles are. You can feel it. Little by little, you can work your way up. If you feel like maybe you went a little bit too high, go back down a little bit. This is how you really work those tangles out without really causing a lot of breakage and without causing a lot of pain. I forgot what I was looking at. I believe I was looking at the monitor. I was watching my baby, I think sleeping on the iPad. I'm not really sure, but that's what I was looking at. So at this point, I started to get a little bit more rough with my hair. I don't suggest that you do this. This was just me being very impatient like I usually am, especially because I believe the baby was starting to wake up at this point, and I just had to rush through this. But definitely, if you have the time, take your time. Don't rush. Now that I finished with this side, I'm going to continue with the other side, and it's basically the same thing. Thank you for watching.